Hello. Today I'm making beef in the oven for lunch, Father's Day. I marinated it with all the spices that we usually use. Garlic is going to shallot, it's going to be put after. This is where I'm going to just cook them quickly and then put them in the oven, and this is the bed that they're going to be into. Okay, hope you stay tuned. I'm just going to cook them like 2 minutes each on each side, and then I'm going to put them in the bed of Hearts. And they're going to go into the oven for 30 minutes. So now I'm cooking the shallots with the onion and the garlic and the parsley sauce that I've prepared already. And once this is just cooked a little bit, sauteed for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put it in the beef steaks, and then I'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and that's going to be it. Stay tuned. This is the side dish for the beefs. It's potatoes with onions and shallots and garlic, and a little bit of tomato sauce, my homemade. And voila, it's delicious, and I hope you try it.